Nicolas Maduro says he will block X in Venezuela after spat between himself and Elon Musk. Venezuela President Nicolas Maduro is saying that he's taking actions to block X, formerly Twitter, in Venezuela after he had spat with Elon Musk. Where Elon Musk is saying that they just ended a presidential election in Venezuela. Nicolas Maduro didn't win, and Nicolas Maduro is saying that Elon Musk is using his platform to promote hatred, civil war, and the others. But I want to read this update from CNN so we get the story correctly. So according to CNN, Nicolas Maduro said that he has signed a proposal with the National Telecommunication Commission to take the social network out of circulation and accused Musk for violating the rules of social media platform by inciting hatred and civil war. So yeah, this is what he's saying. He's saying that after he has won the election in Venezuela, Elon Musk is using his X handle to promote civil war, where he's saying that he didn't win it, but his opponent rather did. Yeah, so he's doing his best to block X in Venezuela for 10 days. Stay glued to this channel for more tech news, and also remember to like, comment, and subscribe.